Oh my God, sorry to say I buy a wrong one, the wrong old filter. No wonder I couldn't get it in. Oh my God, I have to put the old filter back so I can. Okay, let me see what's the number of this one. It's 7317 right there. That's the right number. I got the wrong one. That's too bad. It's back. The old one is back in, but the back suck. Too bad. Okay, I'm gonna cover the drain. Cover this now so I can pour in new oil. Oh boy, so hard if you're underneath here. Oops, and the back. I cannot move my body. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on, man. Cooperate, man. Usually my son is the one who's doing it, but he's not home. He's out of town. He's out of town right now. So I have to do it myself. And use this thing up, and then put a new, let's see. Ah. Oh, I'm out. Woo, baby. I'm out. Oh my God. Here's the thing here. My engine is dirty.